Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how you can screen record on your iPhone. So go to settings. From here you have to go to the control center. From here you can see screen recording. So add this button, and from here go to your control center, and on here you can see the screen recording button. So from here you can screen record on your iPhone, and plus from here you can add your microphone. So this is how you can screen record on your iPhone. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.